Today's tutorial is all about making your printing experience in Google Chrome smoother and faster. If you've ever found yourself scrambling for the right button to print a web page or wasting time hunting through menus, you're going to love this simple shortcut. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to instantly open the print dialog in Google Chrome, saving yourself time and hassle every single time. Let's jump right in. First things first, if you want to print something from Chrome, you'll need to actually launch the Chrome browser itself. So go ahead and find the Google Chrome icon on your desktop, in your taskbar, or wherever you normally keep it. If you're working on Windows, that'll usually be along the bottom of your screen, while on a Mac, it's often in your dock. Double-click that icon to open up Chrome. If you've already got Chrome running, you can simply bring that window to the front. And remember, the shortcut I'm about to show you works whether you're on a Windows PC, a Mac, or even Linux, as long as you're using Google Chrome. Now with Google Chrome open and in focus, let's say you've got a web page pulled up that you want to print. Maybe it's a concert ticket, an interesting article, or even a recipe you want to stick on your fridge. Instead of hunting for the little three-dot menu in the corner, scrolling all the way down and choosing print, there's a way faster option. All you need to do is press Ctrl and the letter P at the same time on your keyboard. Hold down the Ctrl key, and while you're holding it, tap the P key. If you're on a Mac, it's almost exactly the same, just use Command plus P instead. When you hit that shortcut, watch what happens. Chrome immediately opens the printer dialog window. If you've never seen this pop up before, don't worry, this is where all your print options live. You can choose which printer you want to use, tweak the number of copies, switch between color and black and white, and decide if you want to print all pages or just a selection. This shortcut puts all those options right at your fingertips, instantly, no menus required. Now, sometimes you press Ctrl plus P and nothing seems to happen. Before you worry, double-check that your Chrome window is actually selected. Sometimes, if you're in another program, the shortcut won't work. Also, if your keyboard isn't responding, make sure it's plugged in properly. It's a simple trick, but it depends on having the right window active and your keyboard working. The beauty of the Ctrl plus P shortcut is that it's not just for Google Chrome. It works in many other programs too, like Microsoft Word, Excel, or even Windows Explorer. But inside Chrome, it's a real time saver. Imagine you're a student who needs to quickly print out last-minute homework, or maybe you're working from home and need to print a receipt for reimbursement. This shortcut can be a lifesaver whenever time is tight and you need things done quickly. So next time you need a hard copy of anything you see in Chrome, remember, just hit Ctrl plus P. Give it a try, you might be surprised how much faster it feels compared to the old way. If this tutorial helped simplify your printing process in Google Chrome, go ahead and click that like button below. If you have any questions, or if you ran into any hiccups, drop me a comment and I'll be happy to help you troubleshoot. And if you want more quick tips and tutorials just like this one, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching and happy printing.